Good morning, top of the morning to you. We have a jam-packed day today. I just woke up to a few Etsy orders. Thank you, Jesus. I'm gonna do that. The baby's oatmeal is already on the stove, getting ready for her. I'm gonna do a quick workout, then we are heading out the door. Today, I'm gonna get my eyelashes done. I'm gonna do a little bit of shopping, come back home, shoot some content, and that's gonna be the day. But you guys, that's a jam-packed day. So let's get into it. I'm excited to do another vlog with you. Welcome back if it's your first time here. Hey girl, hey, let's go. How in the world is it already 8 o'clock? Time waits for no one. Gotta get moving a little faster. Is it good? Yum? Yum? So I just finished my workout. As you can probably hear my baby and her nana nanny out there going crazy. But I just finished my workout. It was extremely hard. I haven't worked out in 3 weeks and I truly felt it. I don't know if you guys can hear me over the chaos on the other side of this door. So I'm gonna shower, come back with the outfit of the day. We're gonna leave. I added Whole Foods to our list today because we need some more fruit. But yeah, I'm running late, so let me get dressed. We'll do outfit of the day. We'll also do the outfit of the day so that I could repurpose that for a reel for IG and a TikTok. But yeah, so let's do that. Workout check. Well, it could have been better, but it's done. So yeah, let's go. Okay, good people, so we are about to head out the door. Today's look of the day is this cute Topshop skirt. It's old, guys, but I absolutely love it. It's like sexy with the 2 splits on the side, but it's long. You don't feel like it's slowing you down. You know, it's just giving you what you need on a casual, cute day. I paired it with some cute Doc Martens. Love. I have a weird obsession with combat boots right now. I don't know what it is, but these are probably my favorite. If I could wear them with most things, I probably would. They're comfortable, they're cute, I love it. And then I have on just a crop top from Zara. I have this in many colors. Definitely worth adding to your wardrobe. And this jacket too, guys. Oh, it's old. I'm telling you, Topshop was that girl. She was that girl. Glasses are Target, and this cute bag is from Zara. Recent purchase, so go get you one. All right, guys, this is the look. We're headed out the door. Got to get our lashes done, do everything else we talked about. Let's go. So days like this are super hard. I've done so much today, and I'm just now realizing as I really like sit down and the dust settles that I did not eat anything. Like all I had was coffee. That is not okay. That is not healthy. So I want to do better. My eyelash appointment is going to be like 2 hours. So I'm definitely not going to be able to eat for the next 2 hours. But adding into our things to do is going to be some type of lunch because I'm already starving. So Madewell was a bit of a bust, but Anthro was not. We got some cute stuff. I am starving, so we're about to go eat and then go home and create more content. So today's look of the day is one of my favorite skirts from Topshop. And it's like long, high-waisted, splits everywhere. But if you put this sucker on the wrong way, your ass cheeks will be out. And guess whose ass cheeks were out? All good. We're going to Whole Foods. I still haven't had anything to eat today. So, hello? My car won't lock. Oh, that's because my keys are in the car. I still haven't had anything to eat. We're about to get some fruit, like I mentioned, for the little one, and I'll probably get something to eat out of here, go home, and shoot content. It's already almost 2 o'clock, you guys. Time waits for no one. Is it still watermelon season? I love watermelon. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna bring down my steering wheel. Oh, that's as far as it goes. It is 2:30. This is my first meal of the day, guys. Don't be like me. And water. I haven't had any water today. So I'm gonna take a quick break, eat. You know how you have all of these things planned, and sometimes good thing I don't have any makeup on. And sometimes things just don't get done. We're not gonna let that be us today. We're gonna get it together. So, got some water. I picked up some grilled salmon avocado rolls. And thankfully it's in this case because me holding too much stuff, I dropped it. So now it's nice and chicken up. I really don't do sauces, but this had sauce on it. And I just went with it. So wish me luck, I'm starving. This is what I needed. Okay, guys. So we got fruit. I got watermelon. Hopefully it's good. I think we're to the end of watermelon season, but it's really one of my favorite seasons in the whole wide world. Actually, question. Because when fruit is in season, fruit is so, like, whatever that fruit is that's in season, it is so good. So my question to you guys, comment down below. Do you prefer mangoes in season, pineapples in season, or watermelon? You can only choose one. You can only choose one. Which one are you gonna choose? I don't even want to pick one. That's a hard one. Let me know. And don't cheat. If you're allergic, obviously, that's a no-brainer. But you're not allergic to any of the three. Which one do you prefer? All right. I'm going to eat this, scarf it down, because I don't like to talk and chew and eat. So I'm going to scarf this down. We're going to head home, and we're going to shoot some content because I'm doing this vlog, but I also want to do or get ready with me, and we'll talk in depth about why I'm doing this, why I stopped, why I'm back, all those great things. And then I want to start a little mini mommy and me series with me and Journey. So I need to figure those outfits out. I got her a lot of cute stuff. So yeah, so let me eat this, scarf it down, and we're headed to the house. Oh my God, girl, I'm not gonna get dressed up. Got dressed up.
Is it Little Miss Attitude?
All right, guys, that is it. Thank you for hanging out with me. We did film some YouTube content today that I might have to reshoot. I don't know. I don't want to waste that stuff. I might try to repurpose it for TikTok, but the whole video was like a get ready with me video, and the whole time your girl had concealer right here. The whole time. Didn't even blend it in. Hat taken off to my makeup girls because those type of videos are quite hard. But that is it. That's today's vlog. So we did a little bit of shopping, we ran errands, we did content. Now I have to edit it, but right now I have to go cook dinner for the family, so I gotta go. But that was it. If you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when we upload, and stay connected on IG at Stephanie Monet, TikTok at Stephanie Monet, and Pinterest at Stephanie Monet. Bye guys, see you next time.